Hello. Hello. Gabe. It's time to wake up. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Gabe is still asleep. I don't think him waking up is going to be easy. He's always been hard to wake up. Gabe found this pressure washer on the side of the road, so we're gonna do some testing, see if we can fix it. I'm on a stool. We're getting ready to have a viewing party for yesterday's vlog because they haven't seen it yet.
It has a little strainer.
This was not as exciting.
Well, no, especially since somebody tapped it and made it all. Think about this is what it's like to be married for 10 years.
Never drink and run.
No! You put it in your cart and you leave it there, and then sober you decides that you want to do that.
That was the plan. I don't have my wallet on me.
I've never been so thankful that you don't know how to put cards in your phone for autosave them. That you just have to have that extra conscious
He
effort.
doesn't even know how to update apps. I just show him that.
The note lock app that I was locked out of, I just needed to update it.
I pulled. He's like, "Hey, can you help me? I've been thinking about doing this really super complicated thing." And I just go, "Hold on a second." I scroll through his update list, found it, and go, "You just need to update it." Problem solved.
Thank you for helping Grandpa. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Later, and then I have the truck. It's not like the Mustang would be my daily driver.
What? So now you eat hummus? Why?
Because Andy made me eat hummus at the card game, so now I eat hummus all the time.
She made us
Veggie bowls.
veggie bowls. It's delicious. Thank you.
We buy. You're welcome. We buy hummus by 2 pounds now.
On the road again.
There are a couple places to go. Show us your best move. Come on, man.
Hey, put it on the Jacksonville is at it again page.
Oh,
Please do
if you
it.
do that, everybody's gonna know who it is.
Please don't.
I got you, man.
And it's always the face behind the mask.
They're in the culvert.
Oh, it's a frog. I was more scared by your reaction than the frog.
Well, I wasn't prepared for that. I didn't see him. Jerk.
All right, well, it is about 1 o'clock. I fell asleep on the couch for a little while, and I'm going to bed now. Had a good day. See you tomorrow.